Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and immediately select what will get the background color. You can select a word, multiple words, whole paragraphs, or press Ctrl plus A to target everything. Once done, make sure styles aren't forcing colors. Check Reveal Formatting with Shift plus F1 if results differ. This step matters because Word applies color at different levels: direct text shading, paragraph shading, or style-based background. So choosing the right selection ensures the change sticks where you next apply the color using the tool that matches your selection. For quick word-level color, use Home Text Highlight. For paragraph background, use Home Shading. If you need a page-wide or custom hue, go to Design Page Color. For exact control, right-click the paragraph, choose Borders and Shading, then the Shading tab to pick Fill Color and apply to text or paragraph. To make it reusable, modify the style via Modify Format Borders and Shading, and save the style. Finally, confirm the background behaves as expected. View the document in Print Preview and check the printed output since highlights don't always print. If the color doesn't appear, select the text and clear direct formatting with Ctrl plus space, then reapply shading or update the style. Make sure the document isn't in compatibility mode or using an overriding theme. If a printer drops background colors, enable background printing and file options display. And remember to save a copy with the new formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.